Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to take you through connecting your Olarm Pro 4G onto various panels. Let's get into it. On the MG5050 panel, there's just a few settings you need to change before you can use the Olarm Pro. You have to make sure that the panel ID is set to 0000 and that the panel password is set to 0000, as that is the codes that the unit uses to log into the panel. At the bottom of the board, between your ring and tip and your zones, is where you find the serial connector. We'll be using the 4-pin connector, which is slotted and can only go on one way. We will now follow along the LED states. The unit is booting up. The unit is connecting to the panel. We have a solid blue light, which means connected, all okay.